Oh, hello and welcome friends. I hope you are well. I am well too. I am Rinma Sarkar, a student of Gaibanda Government Boys High School, your learning partner. So friends, I am back again with a new topic which is the IPA transcription of 12 months. Friends, we know that it's also a very common topic of English language, but many of us can't be able to pronounce the name of 12 months correctly. So friends, let's get started. Friends, after watching this video, I wish you all will be able to pronounce these 12 months correctly. So friends, before starting the video, let me describe the meaning of IPA. Friends, IPA means International Phonetic Alphabet. International Phonetic Alphabet. So friends, let's start the video. So friends, at first, here you can see January. 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 Here, a stress on first syllable, and these are transcriptions, friends. And friends, after January, here you can see February. February. Here, transcription February and a stress on Feb. Friends, February. February. Friends, after February, here you can see March. 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 Friends, after March, here you can see April. 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 Here, April is transcription, and here F is stressed. April. April. Friends, after April, May comes. May. 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 Friends, after May, here we can see June. 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 Friends, the 7th month of the year is July. July. Here, the transcription is July and stress on lie. July. July. Friends, after July, here you can see August. August. Here, transcription is August. August. And the stress is August. August. Friends, after August, the 9th month of the year is September. 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 Friends, we can also pronounce it by September. September. Friends, here transcription is September and stress on tem. September. 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 Friends, after September, October comes. October. 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 Or we can pronounce October. 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 Here transcription is October. October. And stress on October. After October, here you can see November. 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 Here, the transcription is November and stressed on November. So friends, the last month of the year is December. December or December. We can also pronounce it by December. Friends, here the transcription is December. December, and here is traced on Sem. December. Friends, thanks for watching this video. I will be encouraged to make more videos if you subscribe my channel and give a like to it. See you in the next video. Goodbye.